And important parts in a Nest.js app are controllers and providers. Controllers are the meat of the app. Controllers control how you handle incoming requests. They are responsible for accepting incoming requests, then doing something, and then to return a response. That's the job of the controllers. They handle requests and they send back responses. Providers, on the other hand, are extra services, extra classes, so to say, which you can inject into controllers or also into other providers to provide certain functionalities. For example, you could have a service or a provider, and the name is kind of exchangeable here. So you could have a service which reaches out to a database to fetch data, and then a controller can use that service to, well, let the service get the data from the database so that the code in the controller is relatively lean and you don't have your database access code in the controller, but instead you have that in the service. And that's that modularity where you have a couple of different tools where each tool or each part of the app has its job, and therefore each part on its own stays relatively lean and focused.